So for this one, let's see, we've got two figures we're working with, right? We've got the box. So that's the total landing area. 120 by 500, which works out to be 60,000. All right. And the triangle, which is where we're going to be landing. Oh, I lost a zero? Yeah. There we go. The triangle we're going to land in is half base height. So that's half of 120 times 500. So that's going to be 30,000, right? So if we ask ourselves, what's the probability that we land in the triangle? That's going to be 30,000. Those are all the square feet in it out of the 60,000 total square feet on the figure. Works out to be a half or 0.5 or 50%. Now, if you were really clever, you could look at that problem and say, hey, triangles are half of the rectangle that make them up. And you could look at this and say, since I know this height is 120, I know that this region represents half of the overall rectangle, so the probability of landing in it is half of that. So when you look at the homework tonight, try to look for some of these relationships if you can, but mostly focus on the big idea. What's the probability, what's the area of my accepted landing, the area of my overall target, and use those two values to set up your probability. And then just do what you do with probabilities. Divide them, turn it into a decimal, and make it a percentage.